JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land.
Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I got a portable spot welder up to 650 amps. Each level, each power level is called a gear on here. 81.25 amps per gear level. Delay time, 0.5 seconds increments, up to 5 seconds of delay before you do the spot weld. Pretty impressive, 650 amps. I'm going to do a demonstration of this momentarily. I'm going to spot weld nickel onto a couple of AA batteries. I've used this multitude of times to repair battery packs. Let's get to the demonstration. So I have two AA batteries here that are no longer in service, and we're going to test this process out. Now this is perfect for making battery packs. This is as long as you can use nickel to spot weld battery packs together, and that's what this tool is for. So I have it set for gear 4, and we're going to put this on the top of the battery, and we're going to do a demonstration of it, and we're going to spot weld it. Now, that's one shot. Two. So it's actually working, and this is actually spot welded to the bottom of the battery. It's pretty sick, so I'm just going to crank it up one more notch to gear 5 just to give it a little bit more current. So it's flat here, and I'm going to nail it here. I'm going to do it here again. Now, you could do as many connections as you want, but you don't want to destroy the device that you're blasting it with all this current with. And it's done. I'll undo it so you can actually see. And there you go. Two batteries are now spot welded together. It's actually pretty sick. It works really well. I recommend this product wholeheartedly. I've repaired multitude of battery packs with this device thus far. I haven't recorded it because I'm actually just testing it. This is another test, and it worked really well. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. Then you would cut this tab off and then do some soldering, because this is 100% solderable because it's nickel. And it does come with the nickel strips, this particular kit, which is very nice. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. This product works very, very well. It's 11,000 amp hours, capable of going up to 650 amps in 81.25 increments. It's impressive. It works really well. If this is what you're looking for, this is the product for you. And these come off. And it doubles as a battery bank if you wanted to use this as a battery bank. But the whole point of it is to use it as a spot welder, a portable spot welder. It works incredible. I recommend it, and that's all there is to it. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. You can get your very own spot welder. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
In a world of lights and bits, where tech can make us trip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. JoeteckTips the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. JoeteckTips here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land. With his wisdom